Welcome back to Conscious Evolution. Isn't this just the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Beautiful green. Let's take a walk. Take a walk with me, will you? This beautiful little spot I just found. Well, I drive by it every day. But when I drove by it this morning, it shined a different color of green than I've ever seen it before. And it really stood out to me. And I really love it. I mean, look at this whole place. It's right off the side of the road, man. Isn't that freaking gorgeous? Look at that tree, though. Oh, man. And then we got the water. Gorgeous. It's freaking gorgeous, huh? Oh, something going on down there. It's a big drop off down there. Let's see if we can see. It's not fall over, but you can kind of see it. I was fishing down here like 2 years ago. Slid right down this hill into the water. It was fun. The climb back up the hill soaking wet was even more fun. Hope you guys are enjoying this little nature walk with me. I just felt like sharing. I'm in a really good mood right now. Oh, that's a good little shot right there. You can go right on out there. Look at the water down there. It looks digital, doesn't it? That's crazy looking. It's green as far as the eye can see. I love it. It's so beautiful. Look at all that green. See what I mean? Like, this really looked amazing with the sunrise this morning. I'm really feeling this tree right now. Really feeling it. I don't want to get any cars in my shot. Except for my car over there. Now, when I was a teenager, I came back here. Over there used to be a trail. I think I see it right there. You walk up there and go way up the hill back there. There's a big rock cliff that we used to jump off of into the reservoir. Or whatever you call this. I think it's a reservoir. This is amazing. Probably shouldn't have left the keys in my car. Details. These trees are just mammoth. Look at those puppies. They're beautiful. There's some powerful trees right there. I feel really drawn to them right now. Alright. How do I switch this? Oh, I can't. I can take screenshots though. And the green in the phone looks even greener than it does in real life. That is amazing. This phone takes some pretty amazing footage here. Look at that one. These remind me of something out of a movie. I can't place it right now though. Maybe in a day or two I'll come down here and walk through the woods together. Take you on a nature hike with me. That sounds like a great idea. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. I felt like sharing. Love you guys. Be the change you want to see in this world. and go get in touch with nature. Go get grounded. I noticed energy waves were pretty intense, and you know, I was feeling them. Most everybody I know that is affected by energies was feeling them. So, and getting grounded is a good way to balance yourself out. But all right. Now it's all out of focus. What did I do? I done broke it. It really is out of focus now. Hold on. Maybe it's my eyes that are out of focus. I don't know. Alright, guys. Is it? That does not look clear. Let's try this. There we go. Now we got it. Hopefully that guy didn't steal my car. Oh, nope, still there. Alright, guys. Love you lots. Bye-bye.